The area chose to study. The area focus for this post will be a section of the Columbia River Power System in the Snake River watershed. Built by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation for the U.S. federal government, this system comprises 31 large dams. The area I'm focusing on is located in the Pacific Northwest and flows through several states, including Idaho, Oregon, Nevada, Washington, and Wyoming. Specifically, I will be researching the dams along the Lower Snake River, which are in Washington State, and they are the Lower Granite Dam, Little Goose Dam, Lower Monumental Dam, and Ice Harbor Dam. My home state is Washington, so I am always interested in learning about local environmental concerns and areas of activity in that area. I am concerned about the future of a fish that I not only believe has the right to exist for its own sake, but also for the communities and cultures which these imperiled species are so much a part of. I also fish on the Columbia River every summer with my family for the coveted Chinook salmon. It is important to me to instill a passion for nature and its countless resources to my kids. But I also want my kids to think about how their actions affect the future and to be conscious about sustainable options. When I was younger, I could fish for salmon and nobody thought about risk of overfishing, or at least no one ever spoke of it. Now that I am more educated on the topic, I realize, and in no particular order, 1, how important it is to adopt an ecosystem approach to fishery management. 2, a healthy and naturally diverse habitat is critical. And 3, how important political pressure can be to getting federal action kickstarted. The species that have been impacted by dams are numerous. They are critical to their ecosystem, and they have been seriously affected by dams. The dams of the Lower Snake River Project are no exception. In western North America, there are 24 genetically distinct collections of salmonid evolutionarily significant units, and of these 24, 12 pass through the Columbia River Power System, and 4 will pass through the Lower Snake River dams. The list of species threatened by dam construction includes the Chinook, Oncorhynchus choichai, the coho, or Oncorhynchus keesuch, the sockeye, Oncorhynchus nurka, steelhead, Oncorhynchus micus, shads, Alosa sapidismia, lamprey, Petromyzontiformes, and sturgeon, Asapensauridae. Upon the Ice Harbor Dam being completed, salmon and steelhead experienced a steep decline in population numbers, a reduction that has yet to be rectified. Scientists have found that though climate change and other anthropogenic activities have contributed to their decline, dams have had a significantly direct role. Dams are responsible for alterations of whole ecosystems in rivers. In 2007, a paper was published in Applied Animal Behavior Science reporting system-wide changes in the environment, including water clarity, temperature, silt transportation, and species diversity and abundance. The turbines in particular that are used in the hydro plants are a major cause for elevated smolt and adult migration mortality. References found in forum.